China's box office for the summer movie season, which runs from June the 1st to August the 31st, is blossoming, with the revenue exceeding 12.6 billion yuan as of Sunday. The figure was boosted by the roaring commercial success of domestic blockbusters like Creation of the Gods the First, Kingdom of Storms, and Chang'an, which are popular options for moviegoers.
我自己个人喜好来讲的话，我也是比较喜欢国产片，比如说像《封神》第一部这种，在我们记忆当中是很有这个代表性的，会给我们更多共情的一种感觉。
随着这几天的整个票，像周末档的，咱们《长安三万里》的票房要达到90%这个上座率啊。那么从这个数据就可以看出，《长安三万里》比较受欢迎啊。
As of Sunday, 4 of the 5 highest-grossing films during this year's summer movie season were domestic productions, earning over 8 billion yuan in total, according to Dengtai data.
我觉得这个国产的这个电影现在是越来越好，这个包括这个题材呀，还有这个整个的这个价值取向这一块，我觉得都非常积极向上的。我觉得国产电影这一块，未来的趋势是大有市场所在的。
其实国产片更多的是关注本地文化故事背景，能够反映社会，然后能够展现真实的故事给观众，这样才能够产生共鸣。所以说，我觉得现目前的国产片有更多的创新性，这样的话，我们能够在观看电影的同时，能够感同身受。
On the other hand, as noted by moviegoers and industry observers, Hollywood movies are losing their appeal with Chinese audiences, and their influence as a whole is waning in China. China's summer movie season is set to sizzle with the releases of more than 110 new films, according to screening schedules. Industry observers believe that a fully recovered film industry will be foreseeable.